Donald Trump faces 34 criminal charges in historic indictment. In a historic development, former U.S. President Donald Trump has been indicted on 34 criminal charges. The charges stem from various alleged criminal activities that occurred during his time in office and before. The indictment, which was unsealed on Monday, contains charges ranging from fraud and money laundering to obstruction of justice and abuse of power. It also includes charges related to the January 6th insurrection at the U.S. Capitol. According to sources familiar with the matter, the indictment was the result of a lengthy investigation by federal prosecutors, who worked in collaboration with state prosecutors from New York and Georgia. The investigation reportedly focused on Trump's business dealings, his tax returns, and his actions while in office. The charges related to the January 6th insurrection are particularly significant. Trump is accused of inciting a mob of his supporters to storm the Capitol in an effort to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. The indictment alleges that Trump made false statements to his supporters about the election and urged them to take action to stop the certification of the Electoral College results. The indictment also alleges that Trump engaged in a pattern of fraudulent activity in his business dealings, including falsifying financial statements and misrepresenting the value of his assets. These allegations have been the subject of scrutiny for years, and the indictment marks a major development in the ongoing investigations into Trump's finances. Trump has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing and has characterized the investigations as politically motivated. His legal team is expected to challenge the charges vigorously, and some legal experts have raised concerns about the constitutionality of indicting a former president. Despite these challenges, legal experts say that the indictment marks a significant step forward in the efforts to hold Trump accountable for his alleged criminal activities. If convicted, he could face significant prison time and fines. The indictment also raises questions about the future of the Republican Party, which has remained deeply divided over Trump's legacy. Some Republicans have continued to support the former president, while others have distanced themselves from him in the wake of the January 6th insurrection. The charges are likely to have major implications for the 2024 presidential election, as Trump has signaled that he may run again. If he does, the indictment could become a major issue in the campaign, particularly if he is unable to clear his name before the election. The indictment also highlights the broader issue of political corruption in the United States. Many critics argue that the current political system is vulnerable to abuse by those with significant financial resources, and that the current legal framework is inadequate to prevent abuses of power. The charges against Trump are a stark reminder that no one is above the law, no matter how powerful or wealthy they may be. The case is likely to be closely watched in the months and years to come, as it has the potential to set important precedents for the future of American democracy. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more international affairs videos.